the BVA Direct Review Docket and how to use it. I'm Lori Underwood, an attorney at Woods & Woods, a VA disability compensation law firm practicing nationwide from Evansville, Indiana. In the Appeals Modernization Act, the VA gives you 3 different options for appealing a rating decision to the Board of Veterans' Appeals. Now you have to make this appeal and make this selection within 1 year of that rating decision. You would have to use a BNOD form to elect that appeal to the board. On that form, you are given 3 options. One would be a hearing lane review docket, one would be the evidence review docket, and one would be the direct review docket. The subject of this segment is the direct review docket and what that means and how to use it. In the direct review docket lane, the evidentiary record is closed. What does that mean? That means that at the time you file that BNOD electing the direct review docket, the board will only consider the evidence that is in your file supporting your claim from the moment that you file that BNOD. So if you elect the direct review docket lane, you would not have the opportunity to submit evidence after choosing that docket. And you would also not have the opportunity to have an in-person hearing by choosing the direct review docket lane either. If you submit evidence after choosing the direct review docket lane, the board will not consider that evidence when deciding your claim. But there are some advantages to the direct review docket lane as well. If you believe that you have all the evidence that you need to support your claim in your file when you file the BNOD, the direct review docket lane is the quickest lane to choose for receiving a decision. The board has continuously said that the direct review docket lane will process faster than either the hearing docket lane or the evidence docket lane. So while you're not submitting new evidence, if you have all of the evidence in the file that you need, you may achieve the fastest resolution to your claim through the direct review docket lane. The board has said that they expect this docket to turn over within 365 days. So far, today, the board has made good on their goals, although they are just goals and those are subject to change. We have helped many veterans achieve the result that they are looking for through using the direct review docket lane. If you're a veteran who believes that you have all of the evidence that you need in your file to prove your claim, then using the direct review docket lane may be the best option for you. If you need help or have any questions with using the direct review docket lane, give us a call. We can help you as we have helped many veterans before in you choosing this board option for review of your claims. I'm Lori Underwood. Thanks for watching.